In this video, we will learn how to use autocorrect option in Outlook. So let's start this my Outlook. Click on the new email. Write just one message here. Oh, you are doing well. Okay, I just copy this message and then go to the file. Click on the options. Click on the mails and click on the spelling and autocorrect option. Then click on the autocorrect option again. Here you see those statement you copy here show you. Now enter here shortcut key to use this statement. I just use here the and sign. Okay, then click on the add and click on the OK. Then again click on the OK. Okay. Now I just close this email and click on the new email. When I enter the and sign, the statement is C. Statement is show. This is a shortcut key I set for this statement in Outlook. So this is a way you can use to autocorrect in Outlook. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.